At just 14, Summer McIntosh dove into the spotlight at the Tokyo Olympics, not just as a competitor, but as a sensation. Born into a family steeped in swimming excellence, her mother an Olympian herself, Summer's journey was always destined for greatness. Imagine being the youngest athlete on Team Canada, pushing boundaries while balancing the pressures of competition and the normal trials of adolescence. From her first splash in the family pool to breaking world records, she has consistently raised the bar. With 4 gold medals at the World Aquatics Championships and a groundbreaking performance at the 2023 Canadian Trials, she became the first Canadian swimmer to hold 2 long-course world records at once. But it hasn't always been smooth sailing. Summer faced personal challenges, including her father's battle with cancer and the loss of her coach, yet she emerged stronger, channeling those experiences into her training. As we delve into her story, consider what it means to be a prodigy in a sport that demands both physical prowess and mental resilience. What drives a young athlete to push through adversity? And how does she balance the pressures of fame while still enjoying the ride? Let's uncover the layers of Summer McIntosh's remarkable journey. Family influence and career beginnings. Summer McIntosh's journey into the world of competitive swimming is deeply rooted in her family's rich sporting tradition. With a mother like Jill McIntosh, an Olympic swimmer who earned a bronze medal at the 1984 Los Angeles Games and further showcased her skills at the Commonwealth Games in 1986, it's no surprise that the swimming pool became a second home for Summer. From an early age, the water was a place of discovery and joy, nurtured by her father's gentle introduction in their backyard. Greg McIntosh played a crucial role in making that initial connection, treating every splash and float as a stepping stone towards something greater. At just 9 years old, Summer's potential began to shine brightly. It was Jill who first recognized her daughter's exceptional talent during a casual swim. This pivotal moment led to Summer joining the Lakeshore Swim Club, where she immersed herself in the thrill of competition. This transition marked the beginning of a new chapter in her life, one filled with rigorous training, discipline, and the exhilaration of racing against peers. The support from her family was unwavering, providing her with the encouragement she needed to navigate the challenges of competitive sports. As Summer honed her skills, the influence of her mother loomed large. Jill's experiences as an elite athlete served as a guiding light, offering not just technical advice, but also the psychological resilience required to thrive in high-pressure situations. The bond between mother and daughter transcended the typical athlete-coach relationship. It was built on shared experiences, aspirations, and a profound understanding of the sacrifices necessary for success. Together, they faced the highs and lows of the sport, fostering a sense of determination that would become a hallmark of Summer's career. Transitioning from a young girl playing in the water to a competitive swimmer was not without its hurdles. However, with the strong foundation laid by her family, Summer embraced the journey with open arms. Each competition was an opportunity to learn, grow, and push her limits. The early days spent training and racing were instrumental in shaping her character, instilling in her a relentless work ethic that would serve her well in the years to come. As she progressed through her teenage years, Summer's commitment to the sport only deepened. She began to set goals that seemed ambitious yet attainable, fueled by the belief instilled in her by her family's legacy. With every race, she not only honored her family's history in sports, but also carved out her own identity as a formidable athlete. The groundwork laid in her childhood would soon blossom into remarkable achievements, setting the stage for her future as a star in the swimming world. Personal challenges and overcoming adversity. Despite her rapid ascent in the world of swimming, Summer's journey was not without its share of personal challenges. In April 2020, she faced a devastating blow with the loss of her coach, Kevin Thorburn. His guidance had been instrumental in her development as an athlete, and his absence left a void that was difficult to fill. The emotional toll of losing a mentor is something many athletes experience, but for Summer, it was a defining moment that tested her resilience and commitment to the sport. While grappling with grief, Summer also faced another life-altering challenge when her father was diagnosed with throat cancer in 2021. The news hit hard, not only because of the emotional connection she shared with Greg, but also due to the reality of how such a diagnosis can affect a family. The stress of balancing her training with the emotional weight of her father's illness forced Summer to confront her feelings head-on, as she navigated the complexities of family, health, and her aspirations in swimming. In the face of these adversities, Summer found solace in her training routine. The pool became a sanctuary where she could channel her emotions into her performance. Each lap swum was not just a physical exercise, but a means of coping with the emotional tumult she was experiencing. This unique perspective on training allowed her to transform pain into motivation, pushing her to work harder and strive for excellence even when the odds seemed stacked against her. Summer's determination did not go unnoticed. Those around her admired her ability to stay focused on her goals despite the personal turmoil she was enduring. Her teammates and coaches rallied around her, offering support and encouragement as she navigated this complex chapter of her life. The collective strength of her support system helped her to remain grounded, reinforcing the idea that she was not alone in her struggles. Ultimately, Summer's ability to confront and overcome these challenges has shaped her into the athlete she is today. The lessons learned during these difficult times have equipped her with a level of mental toughness that is rare for someone her age. As she continues to pursue her Olympic dreams, the experiences of loss and hardship serve as reminders of her resilience, fueling her passion for the sport and her desire to succeed. Olympic Games participation. Summer McIntosh made her Olympic debut at the remarkably young age of 14 during the Tokyo 2020 Games. Representing Canada, she was not only the youngest member of the team but also one of the most anticipated athletes, which added a layer of pressure that few can imagine. Competing on such a grand stage, Summer showcased her remarkable talent and composure, finishing fourth in the 400-meter freestyle, a feat that would leave an indelible mark on her burgeoning career. Her performance at such a young age was a testament to her hard work and dedication. The experience of stepping onto the Olympic stage, with the eyes of the world upon her, was both exhilarating and daunting. Yet, rather than succumbing to the pressure, Summer embraced the opportunity to compete at the highest level. Her fourth-place finish, while just shy of a medal, was a significant achievement for an athlete so early in her career, demonstrating her potential for future competitions. In addition to her individual events, Summer also participated in the women's 4x200-meter freestyle relay. The excitement of being part of a team competing for gold added a different dimension to her Olympic experience. The relay race is often seen as a test of teamwork and strategy, and although the Canadian team finished in fourth place, the camaraderie and shared goal of achieving excellence brought a sense of belonging that would last a lifetime. Reflecting on her Olympic experience, Summer acknowledged the valuable lessons she learned. Competing against some of the best swimmers in the world provided her with insights into her strengths and areas for improvement. This exposure to elite-level competition fueled her ambition, igniting a desire to not only return to the Olympics but to medal and make her mark in the swimming community. The Tokyo 2020 Games were just the beginning for Summer McIntosh. With the knowledge gained and the experiences lived, she emerged from the event with a newfound determination. The fire within her was stoked, propelling her to train harder and focus on her goals. As she looks ahead to future competitions, including the upcoming Paris 2024 Olympics, Summer knows that her Olympic debut was a pivotal moment, one that set the stage for what promises to be an incredible career. World records and achievements in championships. Since 2022, Summer McIntosh has truly made a name for herself on the international swimming stage. Her remarkable talent and dedication have been evident as she racked up an impressive total of 8 medals during the 2022 and 2023 World Swimming Championships. Out of these, 4 were gold, showcasing not just her skill but also her ability to perform under pressure. Each victory adds another layer to her growing legacy, reflecting the hard work she has put in throughout her young career. In 2023, Summer achieved something that many swimmers only dream of. She broke world records in both the 400-meter freestyle and the 400-meter individual medley. This accomplishment is monumental, particularly as she became the first Canadian female swimmer to hold 2 world records simultaneously since 1984. It's a testament to her dedication and perseverance, and it places her among the elite in the sport. The swimming community has taken notice, and her name is frequently mentioned alongside some of the greatest athletes in the history of the sport. Breaking records is no small feat, especially at such a young age. The pressure of competing at the highest level can be overwhelming, but Summer has shown a remarkable ability to handle it. Her achievements have not only brought her personal glory but have also inspired a new generation of swimmers in Canada and beyond. Young athletes look up to her, seeing in her the embodiment of hard work, resilience, and the pursuit of excellence. Summer's record-breaking performances have also caught the attention of sponsors and the media, marking her as one of the rising stars to watch in the future. With each medal and record, she builds a narrative of success that can inspire countless others. This attention comes with its own set of challenges, as the expectations will only increase. However, those close to her note that she remains grounded and focused, traits that will serve her well in the coming years. As she continues to train and compete, the swimming world eagerly anticipates what Summer McIntosh will achieve next. With her track record of breaking records and winning medals, it's reasonable to believe that more milestones are on the horizon. She has proven that she can rise to the occasion, and fans around the globe are excited to witness the next chapter in her already impressive journey. Medals in international competitions. Summer McIntosh made quite the splash at the 2022 Commonwealth Games, where she emerged as the most decorated athlete from Canada, bringing home a staggering 6 medals, including 2 golds in the 200m and 400-meter individual medley events. She showcased her prowess and versatility in the pool. Her performance not only solidified her status as a top swimmer but also highlighted her ability to excel in multiple disciplines, a trait that many elite athletes possess. During the Commonwealth Games, her achievements were not just about winning. They were also about breaking records. Summer set junior world records in both the 200m and 400-meter medley events, marking a significant milestone in her career. These records serve as proof of her extraordinary talent and potential, and they also set a standard for aspiring swimmers who wish to follow in her footsteps. The fact that she was able to break records while competing at such a high level underscores her exceptional skill and competitive spirit. Winning medals in international competitions like the Commonwealth Games is a critical part of an athlete's journey. It's where they can test their limits and gauge their progress against the best in the world. For Summer, these competitions have been invaluable learning experiences. Each race she competes in provides her with insights that help her refine her technique and improve her performance. The medals she has won are not just shiny tokens. They represent hours of training, resilience, and a relentless drive to succeed. The buzz around her performances has not only garnered attention from fans, but has also made her a role model for young swimmers across Canada. Her success is a clear indication that dedication and hard work pay off, Many young athletes look to her as proof that dreams can become reality with the right mindset and effort. Summer's journey serves as a motivational story that resonates deeply with those who aspire to make their mark in the world of sports. As she looks ahead to future competitions, including the upcoming Olympics, the pressure will undoubtedly intensify. However, with her proven track record of success, Summer has shown that she can handle it. The medals she has earned are just the beginning. Her potential seems limitless, and the swimming world is excited to see what she will accomplish next. Training approach and competitive mindset. Summer McIntosh has earned a reputation for her intense work ethic and competitive mentality. Those who train alongside her often remark on her ability to maintain a high level of performance, even during practice sessions. While many athletes might ease off during training, Summer seems to thrive on the challenge, frequently outperforming her more experienced teammates. This relentless drive not only showcases her dedication but also sets a standard for those around her, pushing her peers to elevate their own efforts. Her training regimen is not just about physical preparation. It also encompasses a mental aspect that is equally vital in competitive sports. Summer understands that swimming is as much a mental game as it is physical. She emphasizes the importance of focus and resilience, qualities that have helped her navigate the pressures of elite competition. Her ability to stay composed under pressure allows her to perform at her best, even in the most challenging situations. This mindset is a crucial component of her success and distinguishes her from many of her contemporaries. An essential part of Summer's approach to training is her ability to incorporate fun into her rigorous schedule. She often speaks about the importance of enjoying the sport, noting that a positive attitude can significantly impact performance. This philosophy helps her maintain a balance between hard work and joy, making her training sessions not just a grind, but an enjoyable experience. It's a refreshing perspective in a sport often associated with intense pressure and high stakes. Summer's commitment to her training is also reflected in her willingness to learn and adapt. She is open to feedback from her coaches and teammates, understanding that growth comes from both success and failure. This adaptability is crucial in a sport where techniques and strategies can evolve rapidly. By staying receptive to new ideas, Summer positions herself to continue improving, ensuring that she remains competitive on the world stage. Ultimately, her competitive mindset and training philosophy create a solid foundation for her future in swimming. As she continues to hone her skills, her ability to merge hard work with enjoyment will likely serve her well in her pursuit of greatness. With her focus on both mental and physical aspects of training, Summer is well equipped to tackle future challenges and seize opportunities as they arise. Future and growth potential. At just 17 years old, Summer McIntosh has already achieved remarkable milestones in her swimming career, but she remains focused on what lies ahead. Her enthusiasm for exploring new events and distances showcases her desire to continue growing as an athlete. Unlike many young swimmers who may narrowly focus on specific goals, Summer is open to the possibilities that the future holds. This mindset is indicative of her maturity, as she understands that versatility can be a significant asset in a sport that constantly evolves. As the 2024 Olympic Games draw closer, the excitement surrounding Summer's potential is palpable. She has already proven herself on the international stage, and the upcoming Games represent a unique opportunity for her to showcase her talent once again. With her recent successes, expectations will undoubtedly be high, but Summer has shown that she can handle the pressure, making her a strong contender for medals in Paris. Her determination to excel will be key to navigating the challenges that come with such a prestigious event. Moreover, Summer's ambitious nature is complemented by a strong support system, including her family, coaches, and teammates. This network plays a crucial role in her development as an athlete. They provide guidance, encouragement, and the necessary resources to help her reach her goals. The importance of such support cannot be understated, especially for young athletes facing the pressures of competition. With the right people around her, Summer is well positioned to capitalize on her potential. Looking beyond the Olympics, Summer has expressed her desire to continue refining her skills and pushing the boundaries of her capabilities. She is not content to rest on her laurels. Instead, she aims to break records and set new standards in the sport. This ambition is a driving force that motivates her to train harder and strive for excellence. With her track record of success at such a young age, it's clear that she has the potential to become a dominant force in swimming. In summary, the future is bright for Summer McIntosh as she continues to develop her skills and pursue her passion for swimming. With her open-minded approach to competition and her relentless pursuit of improvement, there's no telling how far she can go. As she prepares for the next chapter of her career, fans and fellow athletes alike will be eagerly watching to see how she navigates the challenges and opportunities that await her in the coming years. As we wrap up our journey through Summer McIntosh's remarkable life and career, it's clear that this extraordinary young athlete is just getting started. With her family's unwavering support, particularly from her mother, Jill, a former Olympian herself, Summer has faced every challenge head-on, from the pressures of Olympic competition to personal trials like her father's health battle. Her resilience shines through every time she dives into the pool. At just 17, she's already shattered records and expectations, becoming the youngest swimmer to hold world records in both the 400-meter freestyle and the individual medley. And remember her debut at the Tokyo Olympics? Finishing just shy of the podium was only the beginning for her. Can you imagine what it's like to compete against legends like Katie Ledecky and still come out on top? As we look forward, the anticipation builds for the Paris 2024 Olympics. What more will Summer achieve? Will she continue to set new records and inspire a generation? One thing's for sure. With her determination and talent, the sky is truly the limit for Summer McIntosh. So, what do you think will be her next big milestone? Drop your thoughts in the comments.